notifications here. Hi everyone, this is my first vertical live. Oh my god, it's so weird, but here we are. So basically, I wanted to do this live so I can, without doing too much, without creating too many things around it, to let you know that I'm planning a new live stream this week, Thursday, 30th of January. I'm checking the date from 6 p.m. CET, my time here in Croatia. And it's going to be on the topic of website teardowns, which is basically you get a terrible website or a website that needs a bit of work and updating, like redesigning possibly, and you just go over each section of the website and you critique it, you give feedback, and you tell either the owner of the website, or as we can do it with my colleague, I will give my perspective to him and he will give his perspective. And basically we're going to analyze each section, and we're going to tell you what is good, what is bad, based on basic web design and UX practices. And then after we do that, we're going to probably have some ideas of how can we make it better. And when it comes to making it better, the website, we would probably either show on the website itself, or we are going to open Figma, make screenshots of the website that is suggested, because I left a form on my YouTube channel on the community tab where you can leave your suggestions for the websites that we can use during the live stream series. And based on this, what I wanted to say about that, we are going to, we can also redesign it like in Figma by using different sections and screenshots, and not like complete redesign, but concept of a redesign for the website and how we can make it look better. Basically like a Photoshop exercise with Figma. And if you're curious about this live stream, I highly recommend you come and help us in the chat, give your suggestions, leave your terrible websites as well in the comments. I'm also planning to do that with the most famous terrible website that is out there. And hi Fran. And that website is recommended via threads. I asked for terrible websites and somebody gave me, if I don't know if you can guess which is the most terrible website that ever exists. Leave it in the comments. Let me find, where was that suggestion? Yeah, here it is. If you can guess it, that would be great. If not, it's fine. But whenever we had the web design exercises, this was the website that was like suggested that is the worst website ever existing. Let me show you. So this is my screen, and these are some notes here that I need to watch out for in terms of business in Croatia. But this is the website that is the worst website ever, because it's like based on very old school and very flashy web design practices, and I don't even know how to how to get to the website. Oh yeah, there it is. So this is one of the worst websites that exists in terms of UX and web design principles. Yeah, I work from Croatia and I'm based here in Croatia, but I am from Bulgaria originally, and I came like 8 years ago to study here, and then I stayed. So yeah, and I can read your name, Fran Lužaić, because you have all the Croatian letters. Yeah, I can tell. So about this website, I like the pattern and it would really look great on pants or something like that, but it's really not user friendly, and the menu navigation is not interactive, as you can see. So this is one of the websites that we can, let's say, take and break it down and make sure that We, for example, can redesign the brands here properly or rearrange the layout and make it more user-friendly, to be honest, because this is like overwhelming. But most of Japanese and Asian websites are kind of keeping this style, except, let me see if it was that way. Uniqlo is a minimalistic Japanese website that I quite like, and I like their products, and I like how clean aesthetics they have. So this one, we can compare it with others. Here is not very visible, the text, when it has like a lighter background like this one, but I'm in Zagreb. I work from Zagreb, and this is more like how to say, magazine style of website. Like it's very, like it has the mega menu on the top, so basically you can access everything easily from here. I don't see a search, but that would be one of the things that we would probably pay attention to. We have favorites, but we don't have a search. Oh, I found it. I saw it. It was on the bottom. It was here, if you can see my mouse. And this is the home. So I think it's mostly adjusted to be mobile friendly. So I guess that's what they were looking for here, to create it more mobile friendly. So the favorites are here on top. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit here. I can. Perfect. So yeah. So here it is, how I figured out that this is Staseradi. Hi Romano. We're doing some example of website teardown, or basically website audit, and looking from the perspective of user experience, how websites can be improved. And basically this is a Japanese website that I just remembered to show you guys how it looks like. But on the Thursday live stream, we are going to check another website that is much smaller and based for e-commerce, basically, brand that is not so popular. And the other example was what was his name? I forgot his name. Link's Cars. Yeah, that was the one that was also the worst example for a website. We will also redesign it at some point later on in the series, but on Thursday it's going to be an e-commerce website. And here basically they tried to put here on the thumbs area closer, because here we are using the most space from the mobile. And the search, okay, it looks like this. Interesting. That's a good search, actually. I like it when they remove all the distractions and leave it to the user. We can also upload a photo. That's great. We have a trending here. Great. They have a very good example, and this is a huge mega menu here in the search. And the kids and the baby. Okay. And they're pushing definitely the download app, so they can actually move all the users within the mobile app. So they're moving kind of away from the mobile and focusing on, I mean, moving away from the desktop and moving to mobile. That's great. So basically that will be something similar to the, how it's called, the website teardown. And if you have your suggestions, I hope I can leave here in the comments later the form where you can submit your websites. I would be happy to have like a creation website that we can check out, audit, and then maybe even bit by bit redesign. So if you have in mind like, oh my god, that website was so difficult to navigate, or it was very confusing, or I couldn't find the price easily, or it was just terrible. If you think of such website, make sure to leave a comment below, and or in the submission form. That would be easier for me to collect, and I will include it. And if you also do web design, or you're just have social media presence and want to be part of the live stream, you can also join me. So that's an option as well. And yeah, that's basically the idea of the website teardowns, to take websites that need improvement and to make them better. But I'm open to other suggestions as well. I also do UX and UI, but mostly UX, and which stands for user experience, if you don't know. And mobile app design I haven't done in a while, so maybe we can do that in future series as well. And yeah, web development, we can create a website portfolio or a template on a live stream again. I already created one in Wix Studio, so maybe we can do it in Wix Studio again, or maybe Webflow, or maybe another platform. I'm also planning to create a live stream trying AI tools that can create mobile apps and websites with just prompts. So I'm excited about that. Let me show you what was the website called. Lovable AI, I think it was one of it. Yes, and you would see how similar they look like in terms of layout for the websites. This is one of the websites that I want to try for creating an app in seconds. I don't know how that legit can happen, but we will see. I can see here different prompts. Probably they can do partial development, and then via prompts you can build the whole thing. We will see how that works. This is I think the first one that I found out about, and it's again the similar idea to app in seconds. This is idea to app fast, so they're pretty similar. And with this one you can also choose to create an online shop, a blog, or waitlist site, or workout tracker, or anything like that. So I think this will be also interesting idea for a live stream. And I like their straightforward approach here in the hero section, where you can immediately test out the software. And yeah, we can do that together. You can give me the prompts and we can make it like more collaborative. So let me know in the comments which one you are more excited about, and if you have other tools that maybe you want to try, or you want to see how they work, or maybe recommend, feel free to leave them in the comments below as well. And yeah, Thursday 30th of January, 6 p.m. CET is going to be the next live stream for the first live stream for website teardowns, e-commerce website. I put on actual thumbnail for the live stream. It's already scheduled, it's on my profile and YouTube channel, and you can subscribe so you don't miss anything in the future. And yeah, that's it. If you don't know me, I'm Nikoleta, and I create content about no-code development, user experience, freelancing, and yeah, all things tech and design. And if you're curious, you can also subscribe to my newsletter, which I share business milestones and resources, news, books sometimes, and anything related to tech, design, and business, and freelancing, of course. I'm a freelancer, so that's my main topic. And thank you so much for interacting, liking this mini live stream, and attending. I cannot see who is actually in the chat, but whoever left a comment, thank you so much. And maybe for the end I can actually start a poll and ask you guys, are you going to attend? If you don't want to chat, going to attend next live, and maybe this can stay after the live stream. I don't know. I'm not sure how this works. This is the first time I use the vertical live stream. And also I realized that I have only how it's called 800 hours watch time, public watch time, and my profile is like pretty close to 500 subscribers, which I'm really excited about. And the watch hours, I understand that I have to create longer tutorials and longer videos about Webflow, Wix, and all web development and design tools, that they have to be, I write it down there, 12 to 16 minutes long in order to increase my watch hours, and more live streams. That's the plan for this year. Reach 500 subscribers first, of course, and then the 4,000 watch hours will be much difficult, but hopefully not impossible, because I already have 800, and it will be great if I can reach 1,000 at least. And I have more than 240 videos, and I think that includes also shorts, so I'll just focus on more long form videos and keep posting the short form videos as well. And yeah, that's basically the plan for this year, to grow slowly but surely, make more tutorials, more diverse content, and live streams. And I hope this poll is visible for later after the video. And let me see what we have here. We have some highlights saved. There are some settings that I don't know what they do, but I'm just experimenting. Chat filter, top messages, all messages. Okay, let me see. If you're also doing web design, or you're interested in design, freelancing, no code, or you just have a question about your website, just make sure to leave it in the comments and I will answer. And yeah, you can find me also on Instagram, YouTube, as you can see, TikTok. I made TikTok last year in November. I am there also there. I also use Threads, Blue Sky, Dribble, Behance, everything that you can think of about design, I am using it. So you can find me there as well. And of course you can find me on my website, which is angelovanikolaetadesign.com. And yes, that's it. That's the live, 18 minutes. I think it's a good explanation about who I am, what I do, what I'm doing in Croatia, and what is coming in terms of live streams on my channel and everything like that. Thank you so much for watching and attending. I hope I can see you on Thursday, 30th of January, during the live stream at 6 p.m. CET, Central European Time. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Fill the form for your terrible website or any terrible website that you can think of that might need improvement, and I will cover it in the next live stream. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Let's see, how do I end this? Maybe like this. Are you sure that you want to stop streaming? Yes.